All right, Math 1, let's get started. We'll make this short because last week only one person watched this video. Here's our slides. No school today. You got to finish these things between Tuesday and Friday. That's why I just squeezed them in between Tuesday and Thursday, but obviously you have that extra Friday if you need it. Ed puzzles on transformations. Your homework's on page 10 and 12. And then another ed puzzle on congruent triangles, and your homework for that one is on page 17. This is just a repeat. Don't forget to scan and attach the homework. If you don't scan and attach the homework, you're not getting graded. And then congruent triangles, homework on page 17, scan and attach the homework or it's not getting graded. Check-in form, here's what the homework looks like. Once you open it, find the homework pages, which if you look at the agenda, they're listed there. Here's page 10, 11, 12, day 1 homework, okay? And then all the way down at the bottom, page 17, day 2 homework. All right, there's the Ed Puzzles. If you're struggling to log on to Ed Puzzle, you got to open up a new tab, go straight to edpuzzle.com, log in. I am a student, and then at the bottom of the page, there's a button that says log in with Google, and it's been working for everyone that way. All right, take care. Have a good week.